Hello and welcome to our first video for how to build a PC. This is PhaseZero. Essentially it's mise en place, right? You should have everything set up, everything in its place. Make sure you have all the right tools you need, have all your parts laid out and easily accessible. And that's kind of where you start. You gotta make sure you have all your right stuff right where you need it. As you can see here, I have just some of the core components laid out on my desk, and we'll start with the Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4 CPU cooler. This thing's kind of a beast. Followed by our GPU. This is an ASRock Radeon RX 570. And from there we move on to the motherboard. This is an Asus Maximus 9 Apex motherboard, and our HyperX Fury 3200 megahertz RAM, followed by a 7700K. All this is powered by a Be Quiet Dark Power Pro 11 and is going to be put into the Be Quiet Silent Base 601.